Hola! I'm Mike, and what did I do now? Fix the roof of my shed. Around here, mistakes usually become the project. This one just happened to turn into extra storage. I know. What did I do wrong this time? The roof was built with 2x4s and gussets. I got that from a video which made them look sufficient. It's not. The problem is those gussets are doing all the work at keeping the roof from spreading apart, and they don't have much leverage. A roof is heavy, OSB is heavy, shingles are heavy, snow is heavy. Without rafter ties, the roof will do the splats. This is the splits, this is the splats. Yes, splats is a technical term used in construction parlance. Yes, construction guys do use words like parlance. The physics of a roof make it want to flatten out and push the walls outward. Excuse me, socket. So he's training to be a structural engineer. Rafter ties turn the roof into a solid triangle, acting like a seatbelt, preventing the walls from spreading apart under the roof's weight. The first step is to see if my shed has already done the splats. The measurement from corner to corner is 89 1/4 inches, and the measurement in the middle of the walls is 89 1/4 inches. We're good. If we weren't good, I would have needed to have pulled the walls together with a come-along winch, which is a relief because, I don't have a come-along. 3 rafter ties were cut, 4 inches longer than the inner wall span, and an angle to clear the roof line. All the hurricane ties needed to be removed. They were in the way. The first tie is put in place up against the rafters. Then they are raised up with a couple of spacers. Why? I can't tell you. It's a secret. Wait, you didn't look at the thumbnail yet, did you? The ties are nailed to the rafter, 3 on each side. The hurricane ties are replaced. Time to tie the 2 trailing ties. Nails are the proper fastener here. There will be a sideways force, and they have better shear resistance than screws. I made sure to not use nails that are too long, since the hurricane ties need to be mounted on one side. Next, blocks are mounted to each side of the middle rafter. Why? Geez, you just can't wait, can you? It occurred to me, my roof pitch leaves a pretty shallow, unusable attic, but since I had to install rafter ties anyway, why not turn them into shelves? I could have put the shelves on top of the ties, but that would have taken away what little attic space I had. Instead, I raised the ties so the shelves could hang underneath them, while still resting on the top plates. The shelves were cut out of OSB I had left over from the shed build, including this long one that I had used for my cut table. Notches were cut for clearance where the rafters meet the top plates. After both shelves were placed and holes drilled, the shelves were screwed to the bottom of the rafters and that mounting block. Yes, that's why. The shelves are mounted using drywall screws.
What?
Just kidding. A nice wide truss-head screw is the right fastener for this job. Its larger head spreads the load over more of the OSB, while a regular flathead screw could dig into the panel and possibly pull through under a heavy load. And done! I feel a lot better about the build now that it has rafter ties to complete the structural integrity. The back gable is still clear for a future vent fan, while these shelves will work great for storing random, smaller stuff that just gets in the way. But are they strong enough? They're strong enough that I can do this. Okay, maybe they're not that strong, but I won't be storing bricks up there. It will be used a lot for scrap wood left over from the shed build, my lawnmower bag, stuff like that. And look how clean the shed is now. Oh yeah, there's a few things on the back porch, but that doesn't count. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike from Denton, Texas, and I really enjoy building things and solving difficult problems. And I believe showing my mistakes is what gives a deeper understanding of the whole process. At least I hope so, because I make a lot of mistakes. Pull-ups. The only pull-ups I do are my pants. I need a belt.